Hello viewers, this is Solution Unlimited YouTube channel, and today I'll going to show you how could you import all your Outlook data into a Excel file. And most of the users already using Outlook. Which is Outlook? What is Outlook? That Outlook is a mail platform by which user could access his data just like Gmail. Okay, so I'm showing you this is what is Outlook. This is Outlook app I am opening. This is Outlook by which you could read or write your email on your desktop. Okay, here I have configured a Outlook address, and this is my Outlook address I'm using here. So I want to import those data, Outlook all mail data, into a Excel file. So how could it possible? I'm showing you. First of all, you have to open Excel file, blank Excel book. After that, you have to go data. From left side, get data, and on the below from other source and from Microsoft Exchange. Here you have to wait. Here viewers, you have to give your my mailbox address from where you want to get your data. I am giving that mail address. Okay, I have given that mail address, and after that I have to press OK. Searching that mail address, and here viewers, there came all my mail calendar. This is the mail calendar, meeting request, and people, everything on my from my mail book I am getting here. So if I want to import the all mail folder, I have to click mail and then click load data. There is coming all mail from my inbox to here. Here viewers, all mails are loaded here, and you can see that there is folder subject. You can easily filter here in your subject. Besides display to, which is display, you can filter from here. Besides sent date and time, you can filter from here. So from here you can customize or filter all your mail address, and if you want to send all your data, mail short summary data to other user, if easily you can save this Excel file and send to your desired user. So this is here, this is the way from how can you export your data from Outlook to Excel. So thanks again for watching this video.